America, Donald Trump finally won in the Supreme Court. So the Supreme Court has now ruled that Donald Trump can end protections for 300,000 Venezuelan migrants that were protected by Joe Biden. So towards the end of the Joe Biden presidency, 300,000 or so Venezuelan migrants were spared being returned because of government instability. Now that was through some type of humanitarian relief situation dating back to the 90s, but now the Supreme Court says those protections can now be removed. Even though just earlier the courts just gave protections, not deporting people, now they can remove the protections. The fuck is going on here? So in one capacity, Venezuelan migrants are protected, but in another capacity, they're not. This is why you don't let the courts rule you. They don't know what the fuck they're doing. They're just ruling in any way that makes sense legally, but they don't do checks and balances on their own shit. Nevertheless, this is good news, but it should be noted that any person that's here in America illegally should be able to be kicked out of the country by the president and his team. I know judges keep protecting illegal immigrants, but they broke the law. You realize that, correct? So I know you guys want to look the other way and find any reason to keep them there, but like I've said time and time again, if you want illegal aliens to stay here, you have to change the law or codify it in the Constitution. You are not doing that, and this continues. So stop using the court system and either codify it or shut the fuck up. I want the president to kick all the illegals that came in under Joe Biden out immediately. No protection should be afforded for people that are coming over here just to gain financially off the working class. If it was the opposite way and we crossed the border into Mexico for a better life, we'd be kicked out immediately unless we went through the proper legal channels. So quit being stupid. You're being disingenuous with the argument, liberals, and you know you are.